Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Lightroom by Samuel. In this video we are going to make a moody gray preset. But before we start, for you who are joining this channel for the first time, press the subscribe button first. Okay, let's get started. First, go to Lights. Adjust the exposure to -0.20. Contrast to -14. Highlights to -5. Shadows to +100. Whites to -8. And blacks to +4. If you're done, go to Color. Adjust the temperature to +8. Tint to +12. Vibrance +30. And the saturation to -25. If you're done, go to Color Mix. Adjust the red, orange, yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple and magenta as shown. But don't stick to it, adjust it with the photos you have, because the difference in brightness and basic color of your photos will be very influential. If you finished, click Done. Next, go to Effect. Adjust the texture to +2, clarity to +4, dehaze to +27. Vignette to -2. And the midpoint to 11. Last, go to Detail. Adjust the sharpening to +6. Noise reduction to 60. And color noise reduction to 50. And we are done. This is before and after. And now, we're gonna use this preset to the other photos.
Yourself above the ground until you get lost. You'll never surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next Adobe Lightroom tutorial. Bye.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.